Now we are moving ahead, which is the structure and properties of the graphene materials. So now what is the graphene? First we will describe what is graphene. Then we will move further. So graphene is a two-dimensional 2D material composed of the single layer of carbon atoms arranged in the hexagonal honeycomb. That is, it is the thinnest, strongest, and most conductive material known. Now you can think about it is a material till now we are having a very thinnest. So no material is available in this world which is thinner than this particular material, which is known as graphene. Okay, and if we talk about the strongest, then it is strongest, not as stronger, it's the strongest among all the materials. Okay, and most conductive material, which is being known by the human in this earth. Okay, so it was discovered in 2004 by this particular scientist Andrei Jim and Konstantin Novosel, who won the Nobel Prize in Physics 2010. Okay, consider the building block of another carbon allotropes such as the graphite, carbon nanotubes, and fluorines. These all are just having in terms of nanoscience, nanotechnologies.